In this updated video, I'm going to show you how to easily 1v1 friends in CS2, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. Okay, so now you don't have to finally buy a server for this or download or install any programs that create a local network. All you need to do is to open your CS2 game, and now the next step is to invite your friend to the game lobby and wait for him to join, exactly like me. And after that, click on the play button in the center of the screen and then select the workshop maps, and after that select any map you want to play with your friend. And by the way, in case you don't have any CS2 maps right there, you can easily add maps by going on the bottom left corner of your screen where it says Visit Workshop. And now by clicking on Visit Workshop, this will redirect you to the Steam Workshop to choose and download any map you want. Now, after you have selected a map and you want to play with your friend, click on the green Go button and wait for the server to load. Remove the bots with the console command bot_kick and then join the game with your friend. By the way, if you want to change the map without going to the main menu, just open the console and write map and then the map name you are interested in. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they could also know how to 1v1 in CS2.